Hello everyone, today is April 13th, 2019, a Saturday afternoon around 12 o'clock p.m. I am at Broadway and A Street in Lower Manhattan, and right now there is an international food fair going on Broadway. This is one of the things I love about New York. There's always something going on, and we'll see what this food fair has to bring. So this beginning part looks like Japanese food.
Don't miss your chance to try Japanese style savory pancake.
Look at this pancake, huh? A lot of different sauces in there. Display only. I want to eat it.
Huh? I mean, you can.
Yeah, why not? So we got some pancakes there. Here's takoyaki, which are octopus balls. I've had them before, and it's really hot on the inside. You have to wait for it to cool down. Let's see if I can get some. Sorry. That looks delicious. So now what do we have here? Oh, looks like a pork sandwich with crispy skin. Hey. Oh, it's duck. Taiwan pork bun, Peking duck bun, and Korean chicken. Wow. Everything's represented here. Here's Japanese fried noodles, black pork sausage, and Angus beef. Wow, they're even giving out samples. There's Toyo's Kitchen, Gold soy sauce, ramen. Different flavors of pickles. Looks like there's a ramen contest going on. From what I read online, there's 9 different restaurants competing in this contest. Each bowl of ramen is $10. And depending on whoever gets the most votes, you're able to get
which means it's never
prizes. This is unbelievable. I can't even get through to see the ramen. So here's a ramen restaurant from Osaka. I think I'll just go around the back. I see and smell a lot of things here. Lots of noodles, lots of different meats, sauces, spices. This is incredible. Hopefully when I go around to the other side, it will be less crowded. Let me tell you, the lines for these ramen restaurants are extremely long. It's very uncommon for something like this to happen in the city, so as expected, it should be very popular.
He couldn't renew it or something. So now he's just like hanging out.
So this is the spicy cheese mazamen from Okinawa. There's fried ice cream across the street there. Looks crowded, so I'm not going to get near. This looks very good. Oh, wow.
Super good.
Yeah, and we have our Golden Delicious, which is a pineapple cake. And then we have our, what is this called? It has, what do we have inside? It has like black bean and mochi inside. A red bean.
Oh, wow.
Red bean mochi.
They're red bean mochi buns.
Red bean mochi.
And
All
then
right.
here, these are seesaw rolls, and these are maple lovers.
Oh, wow. They look like croissants.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
They're really, it tastes like a pretzel. It's actually really good.
Wow. Yeah. So as you can see, there's different kinds of different desserts and pastries. They look like croissants, but they're actually like pretzels. Or they taste like pretzels. So here's Wana Maker Place, otherwise known as 9th Street. Okay. Now I guess that's the Asian section of the International Food Market. Now there's Ecuadorian food over here, Caribbean. All right, look at that sausage, onions. That's a big, big hot dog right there. Oh yeah, corn dogs, French fries. That's what I'm talking about. Mozzarepas.
What's the Spanish?
Otherwise known as cornbread with mozzarella cheese and grilled to perfection. So in addition to food places, now we have some different vendors selling items, CDs and music. Copyrighted music that may appear in my YouTube video. If I have to mute it, then you won't be able to hear me. Here's some massage places. Sunglasses for sale, 2 for $10. Sterling silver. Now here's, looks like Brazilian food. Look at this, oxtails. That looks like a chicken drumstick to me. Oh, jerk chicken. Curry goat, jerk chicken. It smells so good, oh my gosh. Yeah, plantains, veggies. We got Mexican food over here. Burritos, quesadillas, tacos.
Go with the water. That's it.
Nacho platter. I think the nacho platter looks the best out of all of them, but it's up to you, internet. Here's some fruit smoothies. All right. Looks like a lot of rice. Here's Zeppelis, Oreos, deep fried, ice cold lemonade. Wow, calzones too. Hey, what's up? A lot of clothing being sold here. Here's the famous Grace Church. It's been here for a very long time, along with the sakura tree, or this might be a magnolia, which has fully bloomed now. Yep, this is a magnolia tree. Very beautiful. It's the season right now for trees and flowers to be blooming, springtime. So here's German bratwurst, which is their version of sausage.
Yeah? Mustard or ketchup or both?
That looks good. Over here is sugar cane juice. It's as authentic as you can get. Wow. Why drink fake sugar when you could have the real stuff? Colombian empanadas. Here's some novelty t-shirts, a lot of different designs, bonsai trees and other decorative plants. Turmeric store. So it looks like most of the food establishments were back there. The Asian section was definitely the most popular, especially the Japanese ramen contest, which, as I stated before, things like that don't happen too often, so it's going to be popular. There's more Mexican food. Some more Jamaican food here. Hey, I'm just looking, this is amazing. Very good. I don't know how I'm going to eat all this food once I go and get it, but I'll try. As you can see, the entire street is closed. It's causing a lot of traffic everywhere, but that's New York. On the weekends, there's always stuff going on and street closures. All right, here's a cookie shop. Cookies and pies. Different flavors, different shapes, different ingredients. Oatmeal, red velvet, chocolate chip. There's lemon, ginger, peanut butter. Beeswax candles, paintings.
Well, for this, I use like the highest quality water.
All right, I'm on 13th Street. So here's a Greek establishment. Fried chicken, French fries.
Yeah, kind of food.
These people are just crossing in front of cars and it's an active roadway. I wouldn't suggest doing that. I really wonder how far this food fair or street fair goes, but I'm only going to be going up to 14th Street. I want to go back and eat some stuff. Thai food for $1. This is incredible. Thai iced tea, $3. Spring rolls, $1. Pad Thai is $4 and $5 for fried rice. So not everything's $1. Kettle corn, pollo asada, empanadas, tamales. Here's a gelato place.
Socialist store, no prices.
Earlier this morning it was looking very cloudy, but the sun came out for this gorgeous day. Now people are enjoying everything.
Some place said.
Different wallets and leather items for sale. Here's some more Jamaican food. All right, Greek food here. It smells so good, and we got a grill. Italian sausage here. Onions, peppers, chicken, beef. Okay, that's it for the street festival. Hope you enjoy this video, and I'm disappointed that you guys won't be able to taste any of this food that I just showed to you today, but I'm sure it's delicious. So stay tuned for some more videos. Like this video, share it with everyone, and I'll catch you all in the next adventure or video. See you later.